Semi-trucks are the backbone of heavy-duty transportation, and since their design is precisely engineered to maximize efficiency, reliability, and power, they are the most important vehicles in the industry. Semi-truck engines are characterized by their inline-6 arrangement, which is one of the most distinguishing features of these engines. Here is an in-depth analysis of the reasons why this particular engine design is the most popular in the business. Number 1. An outstanding torque output. When moving huge loads, torque is absolutely necessary, and this is especially true when moving tens of thousands of pounds along steep inclines or while advancing from a halt. Examples of the inline-6 engine's outstanding performance. The inline-6 engine is naturally balanced, which enables the design of engines with higher displacements and longer strokes. Longer strokes improve the leverage of the crankshaft, which results in increased torque at lower RPMs. This makes them an ideal choice for applications that require heavy-duty performance. Inline-6 engines, which are developed with a concentration on low-end power, are able to provide the sustained pulling capability that is required for semi-trucks. Number 2. Superior durability and longevity. Trucks are designed to transport goods over great distances, and as a result, they require engines that are able to withstand millions of kilometers without experiencing a catastrophic breakdown. The inline-6 engine is superior to the V8 and V6 engines because it has fewer moving components, which results in fewer failure points that can occur. It is possible to achieve an equitable distribution of stress and wear thanks to the inline configuration, which in turn reduces the likelihood of an engine failing prematurely. Because they are simpler to maintain and repair, inline-6 engines have a substantially longer lifespan in terms of their operational capabilities. The third point is the simplicity and dependability of the mechanical system. What makes it important? Engines that are more complicated have a higher probability of experiencing mechanical problems, which may be both expensive and time-consuming to fix. The inline-6 design is mechanically straightforward, with a single-cylinder head and fewer components like cams and valves in comparison to V configurations. How inline-6 excels. The inline-6 design excels in terms of its performance. When fewer components are susceptible to failure, the reliability of the system is increased. As a result of mechanics' increased familiarity with inline-6 engines, maintenance and repairs are reduced in complexity and completed more quickly. Number 4. A more even distribution of weight and a more fluid operation. Why it is important? When it comes to eliminating vibration, which can lead to driver fatigue and wear on other components of the car, having a smooth engine is absolutely necessary. Because of the even firing order and the alignment of the pistons, inline-6 engines are inherently balanced. This is one of the reasons why inline-6 engines are so incredibly effective. Because of this, there is no longer a requirement for intricate balancing devices, which are typically required in other layouts, such as 4-cylinder engines. The vibrations are reduced to a minimum as a result of the smooth operation, which results in a more comfortable ride for the driver and less strain on the structure of the vehicle. Number 5. Packaging that is efficient for heavy-duty applications. Why it is important. In order to ensure that the engine is compatible with the frame, cooling systems, and drivetrain of the semi-truck, the design of the engine must also leave place for additional components that are necessary. The vertical alignment of cylinders in an inline-6 engine results in a compact footprint while maintaining accessibility for maintenance. This is one of the reasons why inline-6 engines are so much more efficient than other types of engines. This structure is well suited for the tall and narrow engine bays of semi-trucks, which enables effective cooling and good weight distribution. Additionally, the centralized design contributes to the achievement of a balanced front-to-rear weight ratio. Number 6. Fuel efficiency. Why it is important. The cost of fuel is one of the most significant expenses that the trucking business must contend with. Optimization of fuel efficiency is of the utmost importance. How Inline 6 excels. Inline 6 engines are built for efficiency at low RPMs, which is about where semi-trucks operate most of the time. Because of their more straightforward design, they have lower levels of internal friction and parasitic power losses, which contribute to improved fuel economy. Modern inline 6 engines are linked with sophisticated fuel injection and turbocharging systems, which contribute to an increase in performance while simultaneously reducing the amount of fuel that is consumed. Number 7. A proven track record of performance. Why it is important. When it comes to it is essential for truck drivers and fleet operators to have engines that have a proven track record of reliability and excellence. How Inline 6 excels. The Inline 6 engine has been shown to be suitable for heavy-duty applications via decades of use in the real world. With time, manufacturers like Cummins, Detroit Diesel, and Volvo have perfected the Inline 6 design, which has resulted in it becoming the standard in the industry. In conclusion, the Inline 6 engine layout is the most popular choice in the semi-truck sector due to its unparalleled torque, resistance to wear and tear, ease of operation, and effectiveness. Due to its inherent balance and smooth functioning, it is the best option for cars that are subjected to rigorous workloads and considerable miles. Even though technology is always advancing, the Inline 6 design continues to be an essential component of heavy-duty transportation. This design guarantees that semi-trucks can dependably deliver goods for millions of kilometers. Enjoyed this content? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below to share your thoughts.